Hello guys, today we are going to solve some question on problem of ages. Let's see our first question. What is John's present age if after 10 years his age will be 5 times his age 5 year back? So in this question we have to assume the age of John. Suppose we are taking the age of John as x. The question is saying the age after, that means we have to add 10 in the age of John and 5 years back, that means x minus 5, which is the age 5 years back. Question is saying if after 10 years his age will be 5 times his age 5 year back, that means the age which is 10 years is equals to 5 times the age which was 5 year back. Now we get this equation, we have to solve this equation and we get the value of x. Okay, so 5x is going to be minus 4x is equals to, it will become 35 negative, the sign got cancelled out and we get the value of x is going to 35 by 4. If you divide it, you will get approximate value to 8.7 something. If we see, the option C is the correct option. Let's see our second question. Question number 2. Rahul is 15 years older than Rohan. 5 years ago, Rahul was 3 times as old as Rohan. Then find Rahul's present age. So Rahul is 15 years older than Rohan. By this statement, we can say, suppose we are taking Rohan age as x, then Rahul age is going to be x plus 15 because Rahul is 15 years elder than Rohan. Now question is saying 5 years ago, that means we have to take 5 years from both the ages. So we are going to subtract 5 from both the ages. So this is the age 5 years ago of Rahul and Rohan. So this become x plus 10. Now question is saying Rahul was 3 times as old as Rohan. Okay, so age of Rahul is 3 times the age of Rohan. So we have to solve this to calculate the value of x. It will become 3x minus 15. If we take it out here, we will get minus 2x is equals to, it will become 25 negative. Negative sign cancel out and x value is going to be 25 by 2, that is going to be 12.5. So we get the value of x which is 12.5. Now question is asking find the Rahul present age. Now Rahul present age is going to be x plus 15. We know the value of x, okay, because this is the present age of Rahul. We know the value of x 12.5 plus 15, then we get the answer which is Rahul age is going to be 27.5. So if we see in the option B is the correct option. Let's see our next question. Question number 3. The difference in the age of two people is 20 years. If 5 years ago the elder one of the two was 5 times as old as younger one, then their present age are equals to. So the question is saying the difference in their age of the two people is 20 years. So suppose we are going to take the age of first person is x, then the age of another person is going to be 20 plus x. Okay, we are taking only one variable, so our calculation is going to be easy. 5 years ago, that means we have to subtract 5 years from their present age. Okay, so this age is going to be x minus 5 and this age is going to be become 15 plus x. Now the elder one of this, now if we see, we can see directly that this person is the elder one. So the elder one is 5 times as old as the younger one. So this is the younger one, so we have to take it 5 times of the elder one. If we solve this, we will get the value of x. So it will become minus 4x, this will become, then we get the value of x is going to be 10. So we know the value of x which is 10. Now we can calculate the age. The present age of the first person was x and the second person was 20 plus x. So we can say the first person age is going to be 10 and the second person age is going to be 30. So if we see in the option, we can see that option C is the correct option. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. A father and his son decided to sum their ages. The sum is equals to 60 years. 6 years ago, the age of the father was 5 times the age of the son. 6 years from now, the son's age will be. So the question is saying the father and the son, the sum of their age is going to be 60. So if we take the age of son as x, then the age of father is going to be 60 minus x. Now the sum is equals to 60 years, 6 years ago. That means we have to subtract 6 years from their present ages, which is 60 minus x minus 6. It will become 54 minus x. Now 6 years ago, the age of the father was 5 times the age of son. So the age of father, 54 minus x, is equals to 5 times the age of son. So if we solve this, we easily get the value of, it will become 84. Now the value of x is going to be 84 by 6, 14. Now we know the value of x, that is the present age of the son. Now we can easily calculate the age of father, which is 60 minus 6 years from now the son age will be. So if the present age of the son is 14, or 6 years from now, if we add 6 in this, we will get the answer 20. So we can say 6 years from now the son age will be 20. If we see, option A is the correct option. Let's see our last question. Sharad is 60 years old and Santosh is 80 years old. How many years ago was the ratio of their ages is 4:6? So we can say the age is 60 and 80 and the ratio is given. So we can make the equation how many years ago. So we have to subtract common value from both the ages and we take the ratio is equals to 4:6. Now we just have to solve this and we get the value of x, that is 60 minus x multiplied by 60, and 4 multiplied by 80 minus x. It will become 360 minus 6x is equals to 320 minus 4x. Now 4x and 6x become 2x negative and this become minus 40. So we get the value of x is going to be 10. So how many years ago the ratio of their age? So we assume that the common value, which is x. So if we see in the option C is the correct option, that is 10 years. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe our channel.